going to be showing you guys how to make my dad's favourite, okra stew. Let's get into it. First I'm going to saute my onions and garlic. I'm going to saute this down. And then I'm going to add in my cherry tomatoes and give it a good mix. This is smelling so delicious. Now I'm going to add in my baby potatoes. And I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I'm going to put my browning into my vegetable stock and give it a little mix. Then I'm going to add it in. And I'm going to leave that to cook down for 10 minutes. See you after it's done. Smells delicious. Now that's done, I'm going to add in my sweet peppers, my all-purpose seasoning, jack marinade, black pepper and cumin. And I'm going to give that a little mix. It's a good mix there. And then I'm going to add in the main ingredient, the okra. Give that a mix. This is smelling delicious. And then my mushrooms. Beautiful. Now I'm going to leave that to cook down for 30 minutes. See you after it's done. Now it has finished cooking. I would say it's time to tuck in, but this is Daddy's lunch. Dad?
Thanks, son.
You're welcome. And off he goes. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed and see you next time.